Today I want to tell you a story. Long time back, in an ashram or a monastery, a student came back from a vacation and the student was very upset. So the master or the guru, when he looked at the student, he thought something is wrong. He called for the student and asked him what is the matter. The student said, I spent some time at home. I met all my family members. I met all my friends. I even met the girl I love. But no one is loving me. No one has any love for me. I'm so sad. I'm so unhappy. I'm so disturbed. My life seems meaningless. He said, I don't know what should I do. The teacher said nothing. That evening, the student was roaming inside the campus and he found the teacher looking for something outside his quarter, and the teacher was looking something on the road in front of his quarter. And the student thought, teacher, his guru must be searching for something. He need to help him. So the student went close to him and asked the guru, have you lost anything? Can I help you? The guru said, yes, of course. So the student asked him like, what have you lost? The guru said, I have lost my needle. And he was busy searching, the guru. So the student also joined him. They keep on searching for an hour or so and they didn't find the needle. That's when the student got tired and asked the guru, where have you lost this needle? Do you remember where you have lost that needle? Because better we should look at the exact place, maybe we can find it. The guru said, of course I know where I lost the needle. The student wait for him. The guru said, I lost the needle near my bed. And the student was surprised. He thought the master must have gone mad, or what is this trick? He asked him back, said, Guru, you lost the needle near your bed, inside your quarter, and you were searching here on the road. So Guru said, yes, of course, because it's dark inside my quarter, there is no oil in the lamp. So here little light is there, it's full moon, so the light is on the road, so better we should look for the needle here. And he asked the student that don't waste any time, help me find the needle, let's search for it. And the student was really amused and surprised, and he thought his guru was fine. But now what has happened? So he could not control himself, he laughed and he felt amused, and then finally he said, but Guru, you have lost the needle inside your quarter. Better I should get a lamp, or we should wait until tomorrow morning so that we can search for it when the light will be there. And then the guru smiled and looked at the student's face. And the student thought there is something guru had in his mind. So that's when the guru said, this is what I wanted you to understand. So many times you lost something somewhere inside, but you keep searching for it on the outside. And that's when the student realized why his wise master, why the enlightened guru was doing this for him. That's when the guru told him that you are looking for love, appreciation from everyone. But if you are not getting it from anyone, it means you have already lost it inside you. You have already lost it inside you. First, light up a lamp inside. Find that love inside. Find that love. And when you will be in love, when you see that light within you, then everyone around you, everyone that you are seeking love from, everyone can see that light in you, and then you don't have to make any effort, you don't have to put any effort, but you will start receiving it from everyone. So he said most of the time people make this mistake. They are not happy within and they are looking for the happiness somewhere else. They are not loving themselves, but they are looking for the love somewhere else. They are not working on themselves, they are not improving themselves, they are not working on their own path, and they are looking for other people to help them, appreciate them, guide them, and make them successful. This is the biggest mistake many people do. But the people who are successful, people who are enlightened, people who are on any path and moving forward, they learn this lesson at some point in life. And first, they look inside, they light up the lamp inside, and they find the happiness, love, joy, success, strength first inside, and then they go out in the world. And when they have all these things inside, they don't have to look for anything from anyone. And that's when everyone can see that light within them, and everyone start recognizing it. So that day the student learned the lesson, and that's what I want all of you to learn. If you are looking for happiness somewhere else, if you are looking for happiness from someone, if you are looking for love from someone, and because you are not receiving that love, that support, that appreciation, that happiness from other people, may it be from your partner, may it be from your friends, may it be from your family members, then my friend, it's time for you to look within. First find it within, and then you will find it in the world. I hope this story is an eye-opener for you. This story has inspired you to think, and I want you to remember that you have abundance of love, joy, happiness, and potential of success within you. Start recognizing it, start believing in yourself, and you will have unlimited success, happiness, and joy in your life. If this story has inspired you, if this story is an eye-opener for you, do share it with someone you care and like it. And if you are new here in our awesome tribe, hit the subscribe button and the bell icon, be a part of our awesome tribe. Thank you, thank you, thank you.